guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with my sister Erin. Say hi. Hi. We're at Dodo Pizza. We're gonna bake. My mom is gonna help us. Same as pizza. Okay, we're gonna start soon. So bye.
Ano pangalan mo? Asan na yun? What? Amy?
Oh, my hairnet.
Pakir ka ba? What happened? What's this? Are you happy? Oh.
Aba.
Okay. So, guys,
Oh, listen ka. Nagda-dance ka.
I will give you instructions. Okay, what you do? You have to go to the oven. This is our oven. This is very hot. So, careful, don't touch the oven. It's 265 degrees Celsius. So, keep away from the oven, guys. Okay? Before we start, we need to wash our hands. Okay? Usama will help you out. Face today.
Hi.
Okay? Let's use it here. I will take that. You will do like that. Okay? Because of now, I will help you out. Okay?
Look mo yung pizza.